Today, I'll show you how to update your Amazon profile picture. Keeping your profile picture current is a great way to personalize your account and make your online shopping experience feel a little more like you. Updating your profile picture on Amazon is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Amazon homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see Account and Lists. Hover your cursor over this section, and a drop down menu will appear with a variety of options. From this list, you'll want to find and click on your shopping preferences. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Amazon account, and it's also the gateway to updating your profile picture. Clicking on your shopping preferences will redirect you to a page called Your Profiles. On this page, you'll see your current profile picture displayed. To make any changes, you'll need to click on the pencil icon, which is generally recognized as the universal symbol for editing. This icon will be located near your current profile picture. Clicking it will prompt the option to change your photo. And once you've clicked the pencil icon, you'll see an option to change your profile picture. Go ahead and click on the profile picture you currently have. This will open a window that allows you to select a file from your computer. Make sure you have the new image you want to use saved on your device. Now, it's time to choose your new profile picture. Click on Select File, and this will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate through your files to find the image you want to use. It might be helpful to have this image saved in a location that's easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for profile pictures. Once you've located the image, click on it to highlight it, then click Open. This action will upload the image to your Amazon profile. After you've selected and opened your chosen file, the new image should automatically be uploaded as your Amazon profile picture. It's as simple as that. You might need to refresh the page to see the changes reflected immediately, but rest assured your new profile picture is now live. And there you have it. Updating your Amazon profile picture is a quick and easy process that can add a personal touch to your shopping experience. By following these steps, you can keep your profile picture up to date and reflective of your current style or mood. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these steps and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.